Are you a teacher who's struggling with online teaching? Welcome to our new video where we're going to share with you some tips from a high school teacher that we got to interview for a podcast. Damon will share with you some of his tips, and on the example of a PE class, you will learn how you can make your classes fun and interactive for your students. My name is Andre. Soon you'll meet my co-host Annie and our guest teacher Damon. Welcome to our channel, How Real Life Works, where we talk about all the stuff that school doesn't teach you.
Any tips for online learning for teachers and for kids?
Tips. Oh, you're coming to me for tips for online learning.
Or online teaching for teachers. Yeah.
Yeah. Just, try to be creative and geeky, and I think embrace geek culture.
Bring on the memes.
Well, bring on the memes, but that at a bare minimum, but just be willing to be ridiculed, be willing to be a meme, because kids, how they make meaning when they're doing things online is ridicule, and they like to poke fun, and they like to be absurd. And I think that if we could model that in our teaching and with some humility and just try to make positive connections with kids, like, hey, how are you doing? Or whatever, just reinvent what you're doing and find creative ways to engage with the content. That's the most important part.
I was just wondering, I can imagine how you transferred your teaching to online, but what about physical education? How did that transfer?
I've got a really close friend who's a PE teacher, and he was creating these awesome challenges where he would videotape himself doing something like, I'm going to do 100 sit-ups, and he would do it, and it would be like a soundtrack in behind, or he set up like an American Ninja Warrior setup in his backyard, and it would just be like a chin-up bar. But he'd do all sorts of crazy, stupid, creative things, and then he would post the video, and it would be a challenge. What are you going to do? And so the next person would post something as well. And then it just created this sort of PE meme. It was like hacking what kids do now about memes. It's just like, oh, I gotta put something together. And it was hilarious. It was funny. And it was all about physical education. But I think the important lesson was, you don't need a classroom. You don't need a gym. You just need a sense of adventure, and you need to be physical.
Thanks for watching the video. Let us know in the comments below what are your struggles with online teaching. I hope this video was valuable to you. Thank you for watching it with us. Thanks for being with us. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Thank you, and see you in the next one.